Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
I feel that till the time vaccine comes, cricket is not possible. Because all players' security is our priority. So I don't know. It's all depend upon BCCI. If BCCI sends us, because they have already sent us SOP. SOP is little bit complicated, but we have made ourselves ready. Then we brief the general body about the decision of the managing committee. Some of the decisions which we have taken, like we have taken decision to develop some grounds, because we had 5-6 grounds. We wanted about 2-3 grounds in other talukas where we don't have. So Dharbandora is one. I thank, by this press briefing, I thank the Panchayat of Dharbandora for this graciousness shown to us and giving us that ground. So we will be entering into an agreement with them for 9 years, and we will fully develop their ground. We have a specific model where we have 2 pitches and then we have side pitches, so that there can be a regular cricket as well as the camps and all. So the youth from there, they can practice there, and then we will provide them all coachings and all other techniques is available. So Dharbandora is one, and then Mashem. Mashem, we are going to, the Panchayat also has given us the permission to do that. We are going to upgrade our Sanguem ground. Then Porvorim ground, I think so we need to replace some sprinkler system or drainage system, that also we have told them.